in this video, we'll be looking into 90% likely Neco 2025 Woman Geography questions and answer. Now, these questions we are about to treat here, it took me time for me to observe this question from series of Neco past questions, what Neco has been setting since over many years. I compared, checked, and I looked at some possible things that I can set for you guys for your tomorrow exam. So these particular questions we're about to treat now, take it so serious, and please share this video to your classmate, at least in one or two or the other. Add it up to whatever you are reading. Yeah, I didn't say you should rely everything on this, like I didn't say you should rely on this question, but add it up to whatever you are reading, because it's going to be beneficial for you. So now the question one we'll be looking at in this particular video is that they may ask you to list 5 importance of commercial center to the economy of Nigeria. So one of it is that number one, we have to look 5, because we have to look at 5. So this solution, let me use a black pen. So now for number one, again the question says that we should list 5 importance of commercial center to the economy of Nigeria. So one of it is that they promote trade and commerce. They promote trade and commerce. So we have to list 5. Another one is that they provide unemployment opportunity. They provide unemployment opportunity. So that is 2. Another thing that can be the answer to this particular question number 1, which are the importance of commercial center to the economy of the country, is that now they can also serve as centers for financial institutions. So let me give that number 3. They can serve, or they serve as centers for financial institutions. Let me leave it as plural. Okay, so another one, another importance it may be is that well, they can encourage infrastructural development. Yeah, so they encourage infrastructural development. Okay, so the 5th one, which is number 5, is that well, they can contribute to government revenue through paying taxes, or you can say taxes. So that's it. They contribute to government revenue through the paying of tax. But let me just write through taxes. So now that is what number 1 is all about. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 says that we should define population. And then we should identify 4 factors of population quality. Please take this question so serious. It took me time before I was able to gather up all these questions together, just to help students at least not to fail. So define population. Okay, let me write solution. Add it up to whatever you are reading. I didn't say you should rely on it. They are just likely questions, you understand, just predicted questions. So add it up to whatever you are reading. So define population. Everybody can define that, but let me just write that. So population refers to the total number of people living in a particular area. area, yeah, area at a given time. Okay, so you can check your textbooks to buttress this explanation better. Okay, so and they said this, now look at this question number 2 is 2. I was able to make it 2. So and identify 4 factors of population quality. So 4 factors of population quality is that, let me give this one 2A, let me give this one 2B. You understand? So in case population can come out, or they can ask you to identify 4 factors of population quality, any one of the two. So now factors affecting population qualities, they are: number 1 is level of education, level of education. So number 2 is that well, health status too, health status, health status. So number 3, since you have to mention 4, number 3 is availability of employment. Yeah, availability of employment. Availability of employment. And number 4 should be well, standard of living. Yeah, is also part. Please read your textbook for more information, for more answers to this, because especially I'll be recommending essential geography textbooks for you. So if you want to read more on essential geography textbook. That textbook is very good. I really love it. So number 4, standard of living. So standard of living. So that is for number 2. Okay. So now let's look at number 3. Now, my predicted number 3 question is that you should define cottage industry. Please, this thing used to come out nearly every year, even in Waec sef. Even at Waec level, this thing comes out a lot. So can be asked to define cottage industry. So what is cottage industry? Let me write solution here. Cottage industry. So cottage industry. Okay, let me write a cottage industry. A cottage industry is a small scale, or you call it home based production of goods. Home based production of what? Production of goods. So it is usually using simple tools and family labor. Okay, so and they said we should list 5 characteristics of a cottage industry. So one of the characteristics, let me give this one 3A like that, and let me give this one 3B. These are just predicted questions. Please add it up to whatever you are reading. So one of the characteristics of the cottage industry is that they operate at home or in a small workshop, just small workshop. So they operated at home or in a small or in a small workshop. So another one is that they use simple or local made tools. You understand? So that is the characteristics you can use to identify what the cottage industry is all about. So they uses simple or locally made tools. So another characteristics you can use to know a cottage industry is that they require small capital. So they requires small capital. So they require small capital. Okay, another one is that it involves family labor. Family labor. It involves family labor. Okay, so the last one, which we make in number 5, is that they produce goods on a small scale, on a small quantity. Anyone? So they produces goods on a small scale or small quantity, small scale or small quantity. So this is another predicted question for you. Now let's move to my fourth predicted question for you, which says that you should state one commercial centers in the following region. So one of the commercial centers in the following region is that in southwest we have Lagos. So and then in southeast we have Onisha. So that's the eastern part. And then in the south we have Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt. So these are all the questions I have for you. It took me time before I was able to gather up these questions together from series of Neco past questions, including Waec, the common they used to set many times, often every year, GC and everything. So add this into whatever you are reading. Please share this video to your classmates. Give us a like, give us a nice comment, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please give us a super thanks if you have the money for us, and also join our membership platform. We have exclusive videos for you. So I'll be doing more of likely questions for subjects like agricultural science, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and animal husbandry. So expect my likely questions on those 6 subjects. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you success in your exam. Bye.